What is OpenArt AI? OpenArt AI is an online platform, this is the platform in the background, that lets you create images and artwork using artificial intelligence. You give it a prompt like a description of a scene, character, or style, and the AI generates a unique image based on your input. It also allows you to edit or recolor images after generation. Use image-to-image tools to modify existing pictures, generate consistent character or scenes across multiple images. Create stylized or realistic art without needing advanced drawing skills. Basically, it's a tool that turns your idea into visual art quickly, even if you are not an artist. So as you can see over here, I am at the home page. If you want to make a video, you go into video and you could give it a text and make a video, or instead you could upload an image to make a video, like I did for this one. This was an image and I gave it a prompt to wave hello and smile. There are many more options for videos over here, also for images. If you go to images, here you can create all type of images with AI. You could also make character to keep it consistent in your stories, video or images. Plus you could add in audio to your videos, which is a new tool. Yeah, so this is what OpenArt AI looks like. If you want more explanation, go watch my OpenArt AI video tutorial explaining how everything works in OpenArt AI. If this video helped you, make sure to give it a like and thank you for watching.